Mosman Bay is so special to the lower North Shore. For those that know this hidden pocket, they understand the value of being so close to the popular Mosman ferry, and 9 Avenue Road Mosman is sure to impress when it comes to modern, low-maintenance living. Hi, and welcome to another Pello property. My name's Stefan Bertram, and I can't wait to walk you through this home. With period features found through every part of this property, it's got a flexible floor plan with low maintenance living at its absolute best. Let's go have a look. Entering this stunning home, you will find high ceilings as well as hardwood floors throughout. The property offers a great living area and dining at the front of the home, capturing endless natural light as well as breathtaking views. Moving to the rear of the home, you'll find a casual living area that gives an open plan feel, combining the kitchen and a casual dining space perfectly. The kitchen is well equipped with endless storage options as well as preferred stone bench tops. Something I love about this home, and what is going to stand out to so many buyers, has to be the seamless indoor-outdoor flow to a selection of verandas, all with breathtaking views capturing both a tranquil nature setting as well as sweeping city views over Mosman Bay. The accommodation for this property is generous across 4 oversized bedrooms. The master is definitely a retreat with its own home office area, luxury ensuite, and exclusive balcony with views. Moving outside, you will find a preferred low-maintenance established garden, which also boasts a rear courtyard off the kitchen and casual dining area, as well as a selection of other entertaining spaces with views. Other features include a feature fireplace and substantial off-street parking for 4 cars. The location for this property is superb, ideally positioned across the road from Mosman Bay, giving easy access to parks, nature walks, as well as the popular Mosman Ferry and Cafe. After walking through this home, you can really feel that it has the perfect combination when it comes to period features as well as modern interiors that let you move straight in. If there's any questions or if you would like to book a private viewing, feel free to give me a call anytime. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next inspection.